Dr. Harmon had seen many things in his years as a cosmetic surgeon, but nothing had prepared him for the call from Jocelyn Marshall. She refused to come to his office. She refused to leave her house at all. "You have to come to me," she whispered over the phone. "I can't let anyone see what I've become." When he arrived at her darkened home, every mirror was covered with cloth, every reflective surface turned to face the wall. Jocelyn sat in the shadows, her face hidden behind a veil. "It started 3 months ago," she said. "I was getting ready for the most important dinner of my life. Ron was going to propose. I wanted to look perfect. So I went to a salon I'd never been to before, a place called Nicole's. Nicole did my makeup herself, and while she worked I told her things. I told her I was the most beautiful woman in the city. I told her that other women envied me. I told her that Ron was lucky to have someone like me." Jocelyn paused. "When Nicole finished, I looked in the mirror and I lost my mind. The makeup was terrible. At least I thought it was. I screamed at her. I called her a hack. I told her I would have her little shop shut down." Jocelyn's voice dropped to a whisper. "And then Nicole looked at me with these dark, calm eyes, and she said 5 words. 'The mirror of your soul.' I stormed out, went home, washed every bit of that woman's work off my face. That night, Ron came for dinner, but he didn't propose." Jocelyn's hands trembled. "He broke up with me. He said, 'I've noticed some qualities in you that I've never seen before.' And then he left. That night I looked into my bathroom mirror and I saw a monster staring back at me. My face twisted and grotesque. I tried to call Nicole, but the salon had closed for the summer. Wouldn't reopen until after Labor Day. I never reached her. I never could. Nothing I put on my face helps. Creams, concealers, masks. The horror underneath always shows through. Doctor, you have to help me. You're my last hope." Dr. Harmon took a slow breath. "May I see?" he asked gently. Jocelyn hesitated, then slowly lifted her veil. Dr. Harmon studied her face for a long, quiet moment. Then he set down his bag. "I'm sorry, Jocelyn," he said softly. "There's nothing I can do for you." Because Jocelyn Marshall's face was perfectly normal. Flawless, even. The curse of the mirror of your soul had never changed how she looked to the world, only how she looked to herself.